So this feature of VidIQ is probably one of my favorite, and it actually made to gamify your YouTube success in order to make it a little bit more interesting and every single small success to be transformed into large achievement. And it is, well, you know, from the title of the lectures, it is an achievements tab. So you can actually enter achievement from, I'm going to show you right here. It's on the left side. It actually can be entered from here, and I think it can be entered from the menu as well. Yes, on the top menu, you can just press achievements and it will open achievements for you. I'm not covering a lot of parts with my face, but yeah, I'm just going to show you what it will do. So what achievements actually are doing, it's basically giving you the list of your achievements on your YouTube channel. Basically, the subscriber, basically rounded up subscriber numbers, watch time, views, uploads, likes, etc., etc. And based on how your numbers are actually increasing, it will also try to project when you're going to reach your other goals, and basically gives you some kind of competition with yourself type of thing, which is always healthy and which is always a great thing to have. And so what you have right here is when you open achievements, you are going to see your key achievements, and it will show you your next achievement that will probably reach the earliest. I think it is, yeah, it's right here. So, it says that I will reach 175,000 channel views in approximately 15 days. And usually, to be fair, from what I've seen, it has been mostly right, maybe wrong with 2 or 3 days. Sometimes it shows sometimes less days, it sometimes shows more days, but it's usually correct. For example, subscriber numbers right here, it said that I achieved my 2,500 subscribers on September 1st, 2021, and I'm going to reach my 3,000 subscribers in around February 18 of 2022. Yeah, with this pace, yes, it also, it will not, of course, account for the increased pace by uploading new videos. It cannot do that. It just sees whatever the number of views you're getting right now, whatever number of subscribers you're getting right now, and calculates it based on that. The same right here for the views. It said that I reached my views in August 18, 150,000 views, August 18, 2021, and I will reach 11/11, basically 11th of November of 2021, 175,000 views. It also shows you number of uploads. I have 266 uploads, and it thinks that I will have 300 uploads in 2023. Maybe correct, maybe wrong, I don't know. I'm not sure about that. And it shows you also the number of likes. So I received 6,000 likes in October 18th of 2021, and it says that I will reach 7,000 likes on December 26th of 2021. It also shows you the watch time in hours right here, 8K hours. It also shows you in minutes, how many minutes that you got, and also in years. So yeah, I almost got 1 year of watch time, which I just thought about this, is pretty good to have 1 year of watch time overall on your channel. And yeah, more will be of course better. It also shows you the comments, 1,500 comments right here, and I will reach 2,000 comments by the end of 2022. Well, it's not the greatest numbers, but still. Then it also shows you the top performing months, basically to show you whether you're performing well there or not. Basically, subscriber wise, it tells you that in this case, my best month was September 2020. I got 254 subscribers in single month, but right now I'm not reaching this goal because yeah, I've not been very active on YouTube, and I need to fix that. It says that if I wanted to beat this, I would need to be right here by the end of this month, but yeah, I'm actually only 30% of the way, so yeah, I cannot beat this in any way possible. Yeah, and it says in May 2021 I had the highest number of views per month, and right now almost 50% there. Uploads, yeah, just uploaded only one video this month, and my highest number of uploads was 31. It actually was my daily video challenge when I uploaded videos every single day. I doubt that I will ever beat this unless I do my another challenge. And the likes numbers as well, because I haven't uploaded a lot of videos. Amount of watch time, I'm actually pretty close to beating my all-time high. Most likely I won't, but still I'm pretty close to that. And number of comments, 155 in September 2020. I think I had some kind of challenge back then, and that's why I reached that many subscribers, that many comments. And it also shows you top performing video right here, and it will show you actually when you are going to have some other milestones for this video basically. And the main goal of this is to gamify and to give you more interest towards your YouTube channel growth, except which excludes like comparing yourself to other channels. Basically, this allows you to reach goals higher and higher, better and better, to compete against yourself, which I always say is an only person that you should compete against. And with achievement, you will be surprised how much you can squeeze from these numbers and how much more work you can do by following these numbers and seeing how you actually perform. Usually YouTube analytics does not give you that clear of the picture. You always feel like that you are just behind something, but with this one you can actually realize how really you are performing and when you can reach the certain goals. Having realistic goals is the best thing to have on YouTube. Well, I guess this will be it all about achievements, and I'm gonna see you in the next lecture. See you and take care. So welcome to the bonus lecture, and in this lecture, as promised, I'm gonna show you how we can actually gain 1 free month of VidIQ Pro or Boost. So how you can actually get free month of VidIQ. So all you actually need to do is go through the link in the resources of this lecture, and that's basically it. It will show you exactly what you will need to do in order to claim this free month. There is not much to do there. Just click the link. Everything is already done for you. You will just click the link in the resources, and it will show you how you can actually claim free 30 days of VidIQ. By the way, this allows you to claim both Pro license and Boost license. However, I highly suggest you, highly suggest you to go for a Pro license. Do not go for the Boost license, because whether you will decide to continue after the 30-day trials, trust me, Pro license is much more valuable than Boost license is. In my opinion, Boost license is complete waste of money if you cannot afford it. So I hope this will be helpful. If you haven't completed the course yet, please complete the course, because you're gonna learn a bunch of new things. And if you have completed, well, congratulations. This will be it from me. And again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and hope to see you in the future lectures in our future courses. See you and take care.